Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your headphones JBL Tune 510. And volume controls we have at the right ear cup. Right here we have multifunctional button, and here's near to it we have volume up button what have a plus icon, and also volume down button what have a minus icon. Now let me play some song. And if you press one time at volume up button, you will increase the volume. I just press it, and as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower the volume, press one time at the volume down button. And as you can see at this widget, I just lower it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!